Hi, I'm Andreas, and this is Steph, and we're from Calibrate Studio. And today we're going to be showing you another exercise for deep core activation. We're going to be doing two different exercises with the mini band. The first one being the bent leg hollow hold. The mini band is going to go around the knees. And yep, exactly. So I'm going to have Steph put the mini band just below her knees. She's going to pull her knees apart, ensuring that the mini band has resistance in it, keeping a nice 90-degree angle at the knee as well as the ankle, and then she's going to tuck her chin in and she's going to lift her shoulder blades off the floor. Now, the idea would be to activate the core, and so she could push her belly button down towards her spine, maintaining as much tension as possible, remembering to breathe as well. So there's 3 progression steps for this, the first one being 30 seconds, and then 45 seconds, and then 60 seconds. Thank you, Steph, you can relax now. And then for the second exercise, we're going to be doing the straight leg hollow hold. So the mini band is going to slide down to the ankles, and again, just like before, she's going to pull it apart, ensuring that there's a nice tension in the mini band so that it makes the exercise more harder. So from a flat position, she's going to bring up the legs, maintaining a bit of a natural curvature in the lower back, and pushing the belly button down into the spine again, and then she's going to lift up her shoulder blades off the floor, holding for 30 seconds, 45 seconds, or 60 seconds again. Always breathing while doing this. You don't want to hold your breath throughout this exercise. So, thank you, Steph. And that's it for the hollow hold exercises. Thanks for watching.